Hello, everybody. Here, the three of us, Kamini Desai, Jen Wheeler, and myself, Yulia Azriel, we wanted to come on this Zoom call and talk to you about this really exciting course that all three of us are really looking forward to. 21 days, energy and balance restored with I Am Yoga Nidra. We created this course with an intention to help, after such a challenging year, to help people unwind and really unload all the stress that has been accumulated over this year and really come into the new year with refreshed, easy, and energized perspective and a feeling of balance. And so we wanted to come and talk a little bit about the course and why we are offering it at this time at the end of 2020. Jen?
Hi, so we're really excited to share this course with you. We created it specifically to help bring stress levels down. Stress levels for people are at just an all-time high. And oftentimes we think of stress as something that comes to us from the outside in, which is true. But we don't often realize that there are quite a few hidden sources of stress that are creating a lot of problems for us. Like right now, people are experiencing levels of isolation, levels of disconnection, loneliness. And these really take a massive toll on our system that we might not even realize. And they start to impact the quality of our day-to-day life, the quality of our interactions, the quality of our choices. And so we've designed this course in a way that it has 3 modules, and it's broken down to help us look at where these stressors come from and how they're impacting us. And then also looking at some very simple strategies that we can do on a regular day-to-day basis in a very short period of time to help bring ourselves back into that balance, back into that place of ease where we can access greater energy, feeling better, feeling happier, interacting better. And the course is designed so that you'll receive a yoga nidra session, a little guided rest, guided meditation with each session. And it's paced in a way that will allow you to do this at your own time. It'll be available for 3 months after the recorded sessions are done. So it's really accessible for anyone right now. Kamini, you want to tell us a little bit more?
Yeah, well, what occurs to me as you're talking, Jen and Yulia both, is look, if we don't have, you could have everything in the world, but if you don't have peace with all that stuff, if you don't have peace of mind, what is it worth? If you don't have your health, what is it worth? If you can't fall asleep at night, what is it worth? It's actually worth very little. And that is what this course is designed to restore to us. And let's face it, this year was a crazy year. And if left unchecked, all of this stuff we could carry into the next year. And so this is a chance for us to wipe the slate clean, get the nervous system back into balance so that we can go into the new year feeling really refreshed and renewed. And with those New Year's resolutions that are not going to make us feel more guilty and give us more stuff to do, with Yoga Nidra, we're going to be able to make those shifts from the inside out with the use of intentions, which you're going to learn lots more about. But this is a great way to wipe the slate clean and start the new year fresh. I look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's so beautiful. And we are so excited. Kamini will be some of the sessions will be offering, and so offering specifically on how the nervous system and the importance of emotions and how to enter a balanced state of nervous system consistently. So we are super excited and we would love to have you for this 21 days and as long as you want to practice afterwards. Please join us if you feel called.